Hey friends, it's your girl Jasmine Nicole and I'm back better than ever with another video. If this your first time seeing me on your screen, hey girl, hey. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey my J-Bae. As y'all can see by the title of this video, your girl got a new iPhone finally, okay? Y'all, I upgraded big time to the iPhone 15 Plus. My baby is right here. As y'all know, I had previously got the 11 Pro Max. Yeah, this phone has been with me through everything, y'all. I mean everything. This is my baby and I'm passing it down to my baby, okay? But yeah, this phone has been with me for years, since what, 2020. I think I first got this phone in 2020. And yeah, y'all, it's time to retire her, get a new one, because honestly she just been acting up and doing all the things. So I just need a new phone for content. Anyways, y'all, let's get into this video. I'm so excited. I've been waiting all day by the day. I've been waiting all day by the day, okay, for this phone. And they play with me, but it's okay because it's here now. I don't even care. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video so we can unbox her, y'all. So we're not gonna open her yet, but I did get a couple of accessories, and y'all know I like to show y'all the accessories, right? So before we get into the juicy, okay? But yeah, I got a couple of accessories from Amazon. I'll link my Amazon store down below in the description box. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, unbox the little accessories that I got. So this is the first thing that I got. I just got some fast chargers. It comes with 2 in a pack. It comes with the block, and of course the charger cord. And this is the 10-foot. Y'all, I love getting like the 10-foot charger cord. Next thing that I got, I think this is my screen protector. This is not the screen protector. This is the iPhone case, but I think it come with a screen protector. Okay, I like it. But I did get a clear iPhone case with the MagSafe charging thing or whatever, so I can be able to wirelessly, oh my god, that's a hard word for me, wirelessly charge my phone with the case on. Came with the little camera covers. Came with 2 of these. So yeah, I'm super excited. I can't wait to put my stuff on my phone, y'all. So the next thing that I think I got another case. I think I just got a pink one. Let's see what this is though, because I was wrong about the last item. So it's just a pink silicone case, and it just looked like this. Super cute. It's just a soft pink. I do want to order some more cases off of Shein and like maybe go to Five Below and look for some cases. But yeah, this is it. And this case also came with those little screen protectors for your camera. Oh my god, glass screen protector. This one feels like it's more, I don't know, like expensive. Like I like this one. So yeah, the next thing I got is some more chargers. You can't go wrong with more chargers, baby, because one thing around this house, we went through some chargers. The 10-foot too, so these are just like the one that's in the box. Like it's a different texture. Like it's not like the regular cords or whatever. But yeah, I got some more of those because you can't never have too many chargers, baby, okay? Gotta be prepared, okay? I did not know that all of my cases came with lens protectors, but I did get a lens protector, which, I mean, I keep it because I think I got this one in pink. They ain't want me to get up in here, baby. Okay. Yeah, so it's pink around the edges. I don't know if y'all can really tell. So that is all of the accessories that I got. So now it's time to get into my baby. I'm so excited for her, okay? But yeah, as y'all know, my baby been with me. Like I said earlier, my baby has been with me through it all, okay? She is cracked up, baby. But yeah, she still works. The camera is super good. If you see me on TikTok, I had so many people ask me what kind of phone I have. Literally the 11 Pro Max. The camera is still good on this one, like. But yeah, let's get into the setup of this phone. I'm finna get ready to unbox her. We finna unbox her together, okay? So let's go ahead and rip her open. I'm so excited. excited, y'all. I'm so excited. But yeah, let's go ahead. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so real. Moment of truth. Here she goes. Oh my god, y'all, look at my phone. Oh my god, look at my phone, y'all. I love her. Oh my god, she's so cute. Y'all know I love my Pro Maxes, but I had to settle for the Plus with the 2 camera, but that's okay. I needed this color, okay? The blue wasn't really given to me. It was kind of given like a white-ish. So yeah, this pink was it. It's a cute pink. Of course, y'all know everything that comes in the box. The charger, they did switch it to a USB-C, which I don't have a problem with because I have an iPad that takes USB-C, so it's not an issue for me. As y'all may know, or maybe you don't know, that the new phones have like the eSIM, so you don't have a like SIM card slot, if that makes sense. Honestly, every time they come out with a new phone, it's just like the last one. I'm not even gonna hold you. Hopefully the camera is, you know, 10 times better, because I'm looking for a new better camera, even though, you know, 11 still gonna do it, okay? But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the setup of this phone, y'all.
Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to stop this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding, that's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Like that. But I love when we make up like that. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just so be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing and my setup of my new phone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. love, and I'm gonna see y'all later. Bye.
Traffic